Hi guys, it's Arran again, reviewing now the Black Ranger Zack from the 30th anniversary 30th anniversary figures. I'm going to show you the box first, but the one thing I noticed straight away, because I have had this figure out before, one thing I noticed is the likeness of the head compared to the season 2 Walter Jones, which looked absolutely nothing like he should. But anyway, here's the box. So you get a great picture of Zack on the front, or the Black Ranger on the front, and coming around to the side now you get a great picture of the team, which is awesome. Coming around to the back you get a picture of him and showing you all the accessories he has, which looks absolutely amazing. And on the other side you get the 30th anniversary logo and the Mighty Morphin logo. And again, these are for that, I'd say, collectors, to be fair. But one thing I will say is I love the artwork. They've put so much effort into the artwork. Anyway, time to show you the actual figure, guys. So here he is out of the box, looking absolutely awesome. I really do love him. The Walter Jones face is phenomenal. It looks exactly like him to me, minus the beard obviously, because he has a beard now, but it looks exactly like him to me. And I would say that even including the other lines where we've had civilian heads, I would say Hasbro's head, well, the second head anyway, I wouldn't say the first head, but the second Zack / Walter Jones head is the best we've ever got, I think. And the only way they could top it even better is to actually have like a 3D scan of his actual head, which they might have even done with this, to be fair, because this does look like it. And I'll show you his accessories quick, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn him round, because I've just noticed something which isn't a biggie for me, but I've just noticed it. So I'll show you his head of his helmet. So here is Walter Jones helmet. Looks fantastic. It really does. Very shiny. I think it might even be a new version of his helmet. But I'm just going to say this quick why I've got the helmet in my hand, because I want to show you some extra detail I've just noticed. But yeah, there's some new detail on the kind of trunk, on the front of the helmet, because in previous ones they've not actually put the silver detail in the trunk, which I found weird. Now, yes, there was a couple of episodes in Power Rangers where they didn't have the silver line in the trunk. Anyway, onto the other accessories. Damn. I knew that was going to happen at one point. And now what I'll show you, I think, is the, excuse my stomach if you heard that then, guys, is the purple bits. Now, again, as I've said with all these purple bits, they're really solid. They don't really bend, so don't push them too far, because you will snap them. But I really like the purple. But there's a reason why they've used purple with Zack. And they used it actually with Adam as well. The reason they've used purple is if they used black on a black Ranger, it would just blend in with the suit. So this is why they've used purple. Which only just twigged on me when I was trying to do something in a video the other day. But anyway, here's the first effects piece that actually goes around them. But here's the second piece, which looks again fantastic. Love the colour. So that's those purple bits. Sorry guys. Bloody Black Ranger. Stay. So what I'm going to show you now, make sure I hold it up the right way, which, hang on, no I'm not, good job I checked that. So here's the Mmpr, guys. Very tiny, it's quite difficult to hold because it's only a small kind of lip on the back to hold, but the Mastodon coin in it is amazing. I mean, the detail they've put into not only the entire figure and all the accessories, but more of the detail in the morphers, because they're so small. Like, doing details on something this small, I know from experience it's not easy. And the Mastodon fucking looks absolutely amazing. I do have one gripe with it though, and that's because they've given it a black background behind the dinosaur, whereas on the actual show, on the show we got, the American show, is actually just gold, whereas here they've got black on it, but it's not screen accurate. And anybody that knows me knows I'm a bit of a stickler for screen accurate stuff. And the reason I'm smiling is because my friend's nodding like crazy. So I'm going to show you the light blasters. Now we're not going to zoom in on these because these have been with every Ranger so far, so we're not going to zoom in on them. And basically, gun mode, I'm not going to explain about the missing paint and stuff because I've explained about it through pretty much everything so far. Gun mode looks great. Looks great both sides. Is missing some paint, but can't ask for everything. Holstered mode, which looks great. Love it. Again, is missing some paint. But it still looks great, don't get me wrong. And last but not least, blade mode, which again looks great, is missing some paint. And one thing I've noticed that they actually haven't done on this one, now that I've looked at it, is they've not painted this blade silver. It's grey. So it's just grey plastic. They've not painted it silver. Now, whether that's just an issue with mine or whether that's with everyone's, I don't know. But that's disappointing. So that's the blade blasters. Now I'm going to show you the axe, which you've all seen the axe before, but not with this specific figure. I think also with this one, with this axe, it has a lot more paintwork on it compared to the others we've had from Hasbro. I think this one has a lot more paint on it. Particularly like the yellow and the silver. And also this bit, this bit here does slide forward like it does on all the others, so you can make the power blaster out of it. I'm not going to show you because it's a pain in the butt to do, that slide that bit forward, but and I think, but I could be wrong, I think they've left it so you can poke an effects piece in there as well, like we can on the others. My one complaint with this is the power coin you have here on both sides of the power axe just should be gold, and they've just left it silver. So yeah, that's the power axe. Looks great. Put a lot more paint on it. It feels slightly heavier as well. I don't know whether that's just me, but it does feel slightly heavier to me. So now I'm going to move on to the hands, and then what I'll do is I'll show you that bit I saw on the Ranger, which is a little bit disappointing for me. Here's a fist hand, which looks great. It does have like the zigzag stitching there as well, which I know some of the Bandai ones didn't have, which annoyed a lot of people, including me. So I'm glad they kind of included it in this. And this one here is to hold it the right way. It's to kind of hold the bottom part of the morpher. So you kind of slide the morpher onto here, onto his fingers. And then this would be the top part of his hand that would go over the top of the morpher. I don't know why I put my hand there, but and then last but not least, you get another fist hand, because he's actually got a set of hands on him as well that came on him. I didn't put them on him, which are his weapon holding hands. So if I slide these over to here, and quickly turn the center, every time. There I thought I was doing it by hand to make it a bit easier, but nope. So the issue that I sorry guys, I'm gonna have to have one finger on his foot. The issue I can see with mine is if you look at the back of his boots, you can see the black paint through the back of his boots. So it looks like what they've done is they've just painted over the black, but not done it very well. You can still see the black through the back of his boots, which I haven't had on any of my other 30th anniversary figures or any of my other Lightning Collection figures at all. This is the only figure this has actually happened to, and actually you can see it through the front as well. so they've done it to the front of the boots as well. So that's kind of disappointing. In fact, that's probably going to give it a slightly lower score. That. But anyway, this is the 30th anniversary Black Ranger who is refusing to stand up. Now you stand up. Bloody difficult. Stay. So I think score-wise, because of the issues with his boots, I can't see it on the cuffs, weirdly enough, so it's just with the boots. The issues on his boots are going to give him, I think, probably 8 out of 10, which isn't a bad score, but I would normally give my figures a 10 out of 10, as you guys know. But because of that, it's going to get an 8 out of 10. But it's still a great figure. I'm not saying it isn't. But anyway, guys, that's the end of this review. I'll see you later.